Hello, welcome to Opto Sigma. My name is Dan Dennison. We're here at Photonics West 2016, and I'd like to tell you some things about our company and show you some products. So please stay with me. We'll try to be brief, but I have a lot to say. In general, Opto Sigma, we're a large catalog company relative to having a big mix of products. We have over 14,000 standard items, but aside from the catalog, we really do a lot more. We have cutting-edge technology all the way through our product lines, from the optics to the optomechanics. So the catalog is kind of like the window to really what we do special for our customers, value-added manufacturing and design. So we do a tremendous amount of custom work here. So please stay with me. We'd like to move you around the booth, show you some new products so you can see what's going on with our company and what's here to see at the show. Thank you. So something that you probably haven't seen before, these are frameless mirror mounts. This is a new product for us we're very excited about. There's some unique advantages to these versus using a separate optic mounted onto, say, a kinematic mirror mount or a beam splitter mounted onto a kinematic mirror mount. So we've got two advantages here. Basically what we're doing is we have a piece of fused silica or ceramic mounted directly to the back of an aluminum mount, so to say, like a kinematic. And in this case what we do is we're machining the optic to accept the spring and pull the tension back onto the mount itself. The advantages of this are twofold. Full aperture. Right, so you can come right to the edge. You can get these close together when you use them in tandem or in sequence. And also, after the coat, not just after the coating, but after the mounting, we have zero stress on the optic. So we say once it's mounted, these are high power laser mirrors for YAG that we achieve 8th wave flat after mounting. No stress on the optic. This is a very unique product. They're available in two different sizes, 1" and 2" as standards, but of course we can do custom specific to your application or your requirements. Please check these out. They're excellent products and we encourage you to take a look at them. Thank you. So I'm going to talk real quick about stages, and I'm going to say quite a bit here. If you're not using, or if you haven't seen, or you're not aware of our manual translation stages, we have probably the largest mix on the market from entry level to high end, and our prices are excellent. So you'll find high value, but more importantly, if you have an application or a requirement, manual translation, we've got the stage for you. Patented extended contact bearing ways on steel stages with black chrome finishes. Nobody can beat the price for the kind of specs that you get for stiffness and stability, and just a numerous amount of footprints and geometry. So in addition to single axis stages, things you know about, I just need a single axis X, X, Y, X, Y, Z, whatever it might be. Multi-axis configurations. So if you need multi-axis, we can stack and create specific geometry relative to load, resolution, or working space. You can see some here on the plate, just some small examples. You can go small, medium size, larger, just depending on what you're doing. So these are excellent products and we can work with you close regarding what your requirements are to find the right product. And as I back up here and show some more, I just want to give a couple quick shots. More rotation stages, and in particular goniometers, and you'll find from any other company. Brass, steel, aluminum, just depends what you're looking for. In addition to a ton of optic holders and mounts, and I don't have a lot of time to talk in detail, but in general, kinematic, gimbaled, stainless steel, aluminum, to hold pretty much any type of glass or optic that you might have. So please, if you have a requirement, take a look at us if you haven't. You'll find some excellent products here as well. Thank you. Very important, big promotion, base products. So we're talking about anything from kinematic bases to rails and carriers to posts, post holders, pedestals, forks. We've just reduced our pricing on average 50% for all of those product lines. So if you're using maybe the usual suspects for your simple base hardware, please take a look at ours. They're not just lower price and common, but they're really unique. We call them smart optomechanics, and I'm going to show you real quick just a couple examples. We have very thin base hardware that allows you to utilize every hole pattern on the bench. We also have some unique little things on a post holder where we can rotate the knob 90 degrees by just pulling a pin and rotating it. So as I pull the bottom pin out, I can pull the post holder up, seat it back down, and put the pin back in at 90 degrees, and I can rotate that adjustment screw anywhere I want to. Really neat. But in general, again, I said you can fit a lot of product on the bench with narrow base like forks, pedestals, clamps. It's all compatible. If you're already using our stages and mounts, please take a look at the base hardware as well. There's some unique products. The prices are great, and I think you'd be really pleased to see what you find. Thank you very much for your time. That kind of concludes our short video here. I have a lot more to say, but I know our time is limited. Just remember, please, website, www.optosigma.com, or you can call us, of course. We look forward to hearing from you, and remember, more than just catalog, much more. We have a lot of custom capability relative to design and manufacturing and optomechanical assembly. So we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.